Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about the seasons, how the seasons change on Earth, revolution and tilt of the Earth causes the change in the seasons. On Earth, we experience four major seasons, which are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So, as you can see in this slide, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, and South Pole is tilted away from the sun. So, the portion or the area of Earth which is in the northern hemisphere is receiving most of the sunlight, so we'll have summer in the northern hemisphere, but because southern hemisphere is not receiving the sunlight, will have winters. It occurs in the month of June. So as you can see in this slide, when Earth completes one revolution around the Sun, it will travel on all of the orbit. So there are four major positions of Earth during which major change in the season occur. So today we are going to study about these four main positions of Earth during revolution. So as you can see in this position of Earth, that the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun and South Pole is tilted away from the Sun. So Northern Hemisphere is getting most of the sunlight. Because of this reason, Northern Hemisphere will have summer and the Southern Hemisphere will have winter. But if we see the opposite position of Earth, will experience totally different season in both the hemisphere, because in this position the South Pole is tilted towards the Sun and North Pole is tilted away from the Sun. So what will happen, the Southern Hemisphere will get most of the sunlight, so we will experience summer in the Southern Hemisphere and winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Now let us study about the two more positions of Earth. During these two positions of Earth, both the poles, North Pole and South Pole, will be at equal distance from the Sun. So during these two positions, we experience spring and autumn. In this position of Earth, the northern hemisphere will experience autumn and the southern hemisphere will experience spring. It will be totally opposite for this position. In this position, the northern hemisphere will experience spring and the southern hemisphere will experience autumn. So this is how the change in season occurs. These four main positions which we have studied now are the main positions when the major change in the seasons occur. I hope you understood how the changes in the seasons occur. Now let us try to understand two more interesting concepts which are solstice and equinox. So what is solstice? Solstice is the longest or the shortest day of the year. Summer solstice is the longest day of the year and winter solstice is the shortest day of the year. Summer solstice most of the time we experience on 21st June and winter solstice we experience on 22nd December. So after the day of summer solstice, the days continue to be shorter, and after 22nd December the days continue to be longer. Equinox are the 2 days when the length of day and night are equal, and these 2 days the sun shines directly over the equator. इन 2 दिन में सूर्य की जो किरणें होती हैं वो डायरेक्ट इक्वेटर पर पड़ती है और जो लेंथ होती है दिन और रात की वो इक्वल होती है. On 20 March we have vernal equinox or we can say spring equinox. So the day of the spring season when we have the length of day and night equal, and on 23rd September we have autumnal equinox. So autumn का वो दिन or that day on which we have equal length of day and equal length of night. So in this slide again I'll give you a short preview of the solstice and equinox. So in these two positions we experience solstice, and in these two positions we experience equinox. That's all for today.